It seems that the piston is going back. You can see pretty easily. I think this is the best shape because you're not going any further. Okay, so you need to remove these screws over here so you can release the bracket. Okay, so it's out. Okay, so this screw is out as well. And now I can remove both. And this one has red. Yes, you can see it has red all over here. And now I can remove the caliper. Okay guys, so here we have a Torx 350 and we need to remove that. In order to get the rotor out. Okay. Okay, so now it's out. Okay. Phew. Right. Same thing as well over here. Mount your new bolt. The new seizing piece for this one. First I want to clean these things. Yeah, let's see how it's going. Okay, so get your caliper and grease it along these sliding ways, like this. And from above. Get your machines out from the box. The small sheen, it always goes down, and the big sheen goes up, the one that has a hole. Let's see it, I think. So as you can see, you don't need to add too much. Just 1/2 of his face would be enough. To keep it tight for vibration, you know. And I also put a pinch of red over here. Just this. Alongside with the blue. Okay. Take 2. Let's take out the bolt. And screw it in. Okay. So this is the first one. Let's take out the second one. Pretty stiff at the bottom, but yeah. Wiggle first at the bottom, after that here in the front. Okay, they are looking pretty nice with the black belt over there. And now more to the car. Increase a bit. Maybe the rotor. And this. So I put some grease over there on the top of the rotor and some grease over there on the hands. And what we put in the rotor. And we will put in the new bolts, which seems to already come with the red paste, so no need to worry on this. Now we should do a small test. Okay, you can see that it's moving freely and pretty easy. Okay. And job done. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and follow if you like this video, and stay tuned for more by subscribing it. Ciao.